packing. I need to get some things. So we're at Target. I'm gonna run in there for a little bit. I need to go to Ulta and stop at Best Buy to do an order pickup. The noodles at Target, and I also got 4 floats that we're gonna bring. We got some blue ones, a pink one, and 2 light blue ones. We're only $1.99, so if they don't last the week, that's fine. And I also got some anti-frizz cream for my hair and bling aloe lotion for after sun. And at Ulta, I just did an order pickup. So it's the 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner spray, and then I got some conditioner just because I ran out, not for the trip. I got a gimbal for my phone. So now I need to start packing because I have 0 things packed and we're leaving in 2 days. This is all the stuff that I'm gonna start packing. I was supposed to start packing yesterday, but I got distracted and it did not happen. I'm finally ready to pack, and this is what we're going to be bringing for accessories. This isn't even the clothes yet. We're gonna bring some bags. This one's gonna be for the pool and the beach. This one that I got from Cupshe is just gonna be like a cute little bag for dinner. Cup float, people floats, Life Straw water bottles, cases for our phones. These float, so we don't have to worry about it sinking and never seeing our phones again. We got some medicine stuff, Pepto, charcoal. I just picked up a new face cleanser. I like to travel with a Drunk Elephant cleansing gel. Normally I use black charcoal soap for my face. When I travel, obviously I don't really like to bring a whole bar of soap, so I do use the Drunk Elephant jelly cleanser. Collagen peptides, we put these in our coffee every morning just to help with our skin, and a little boost of protein first thing in the morning. Cooling towels, this one isn't open yet, but these ones are we've brought these to Disney before, so you just get them wet and you put them on and they keep you nice and cool. Some portable fans, hand wipes, face cleaner for Adam too, and the girls to use. Some Sun Bum, this is for my hair. When it air dries, when I don't blow dry and straighten my hair, it's actually very curly and thick, frizzy, very much like Moana's hair. Then I've got my cool down lotion for after sun care, towel straps. So when we go get our chairs for the pool, we can put our towels over the back and then just put these straps around the top of the chair and hold the towel down in place. I also got some Think Sport sunscreen. This is one of the really reef safe sunscreens. It doesn't have any of the chemicals in it. SPF lip balm, so our lips don't burn. For tech stuff, my portable charger, because I'm sure I'm going to be using a lot of battery. AirFly Pro, so I can connect my AirPods. AirTags, we're going to stick an AirTag in every single one of our suitcases so we can keep track of them. You know, a hat by the pool, brush, because that's essential, and my straightener. I don't think I'm gonna be doing my hair too much other than leaving anti-frizz and letting it air dry. So for clothes, I haven't really started packing yet. I just pulled out my dresses that I'm gonna wear for dinner. My airport uniform, I always wear this traveling. These are linen pants from Athleta, a linen shirt from Banana Republic that I love, and I normally just wear like a black tank top underneath and my black Birkenstocks. I have some dresses that I'm going to wear for dinners. I really love this green one. This one's gonna be really fun. This one's actually a romper. We're going to a white party, have this white dress from Halara. It has shorts that are separated, so I can wear shorts underneath, but this is gonna be a really fun flowy dress. And then this cute romper has a little belt. It looks, actually this one's not a romper, this one's a dress. I've worn this one before and it's really cute and comfortable. This Athleta dress that I just like to wear this around like the resort. Pseudo traveler dress. They don't have the short one this year, unfortunately. They just have the maxi. But I love this one for traveling. I actually wear this one in Disney a lot too. It's really great for hot, humid weather. Swim covers, I've got blue, white. The beige one I just got in Target yesterday. And then I just have like a couple black ones. Got some really flowy skirts here. These are also Halara. I've got the teal one, which I love. And then the orange one, which is really fun. And I've got a white tank top that I'm gonna wear with that. So I haven't packed those. I have not put together any pajamas, short loungewear. I do have the shirt I know I'm gonna bring. This is one of my favorites from Cotton On. This one is great for around the room. I have a pair of Viore shorts, the Villa ones that I know I'm going to pack for lounging. And I do have some tank tops like this one from Athleta that I just like to wear around the room and when I'm looking for something comfy, because I do not like to wear the same clothes in the room when I'm hanging out and lounging that I've worn out sitting on public chairs and benches or out to eat. I always change and put on something clean. For shoes, I've got a bunch of slides. These for dinners. These are my pool slides. These ones are Olakai. These slides are actually waterproof too, so I can wear these to the pool or to dinner because they're really cute. And then I've got my Chacos, my Birkenstocks, because I'm gonna wear those. Chacos are actually hiking sandals, so if we do any excursions, these are the ones that I'd wear. I also always pack one laundry bag for each of us, and I'm gonna be putting my clothes in these packing cubes from Quince. They're compression packing cubes. I do love these. They're very sturdy and they're great for everything from small things. I usually use like a small one for underwear, a medium one for sports bras. I'm gonna have one for bathing suits because that's another thing I need to get out. All my bathing suits I'm bringing, probably bringing 3 to 4. So I'm gonna start putting stuff into packing cubes and getting them into my bag. Okay, so I just packed my underwear in here that I'm bringing. I'm gonna show you how to compress it. If you find packing cubes with a double zipper, one to put the things inside, the second one is to compress it, and then you just zip all the way around. Instead of a big tall cube, you've got a nice flat tiny one, and this is it compressed. See how it's almost half the size? This is why I like them. Be great for smaller items. Okay, so it's day 3 of packing. This morning we had to run out to Target again to get a few things that I had forgotten, a few things that were not in stock for a Walmart order. I had to bring the dogs board, and now I need to start packing my liquids bags. I've got some sunscreen, I showed that yesterday. This is body sunscreen, and then this is for my face. And then I have a bunch of Drunk Elephant travel sizes. So I've got more of face wash, I've got the vitamin B, Hydra, the TLC Framboos, which I use at night. I've got the La La Retro, which I also use at night. I mix that with the Framboos, and I mix that with the retinol. I also mix that with a little bit of the marula oil. I find the combination of the La La Retro, the marula oil, and the Framboos to be really good, especially after sun. And then I use the Proteini in the morning with the B Hydra. I normally use vitamin C drops, but when I'm gonna be getting a lot of sun, I don't. I also have some sample sizes of the eye cream. When I place my Drunk Elephant orders, I like to get sample sizes in things that, like the eye cream that I use that's good for traveling. I'm also going to be bringing the 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. And then I'm gonna be bringing my Tower 28 spray. I like to spray this on my face just before I put my moisturizer on. For face sunscreen, in addition to the heavier one, I'm also going to be bringing my Supergoop. This one is Glow Screen. I also have the clear one. I do like the little bit of glow that this one gives. It's a nice little shimmer without looking like I have a full face of makeup when I'm sitting by the pool. Also in my liquids bag, I'm going to be putting my mascara, lip gloss. This is my current favorite. It is Rare Beauty and the shade is Nearly Mauve. This is the Selena Gomez one, and also some Aquaphor lip balm because my lips get really dry in the sun.